Yeah, so I bought a whistle. Look at it! Look at it! It's beautiful! I mean, I can't believe that there's a whistle in my room, like, from a proper steam engine. Okay, let me just calm down. Okay, basically, this is a standard SAR steam whistle from I don't know from what engine, possibly a 19D or a 15F or a 25NC. But yeah, I can't believe it. I finally have one. I had my eye on one for how long? And the other day, there was a whistle that I can sort of afford. So I contacted the guy. He said, "Nah, it's okay. Once you give me the money, I'll send it." The next morning, when I wanted to give the money, he told me he doesn't want to sell it anymore. Okay, that's fine. A bit crushed, but okay. And yeah, so I searched for a whistle. I just could not find one I could afford. And I found one. Finally. It was so damn long. But yeah, the whistle valve actually works. I'll test it. Only thing that, well, two things that aren't original is of course the wind base. This, yeah, and this brass bit there. I had to put it there to, I think it's called tensioning up the spring, because the spring is the main reason why the thing opens and closes. No, sorry, closes. Because apparently there is no spring in there. So yeah, hopefully maybe I can put it on a locomotive. You never know. And to get the lever on was one hell of a story. It was too big because the bracket here, I think it's called a bracket, my bad, is bent. That's a shame. So I think it took 3 hours, because I'm not sure if it's cast iron or not. It looks like cast iron, it tastes like cast iron, it also feels like it, so it's probably cast iron, but I wasn't sure. I first took very light sandpaper and first started here because I wanted the whistle to be like, go in, you bastard. There, not there. And in 2 hours, it was ready. I put it in. This part is in there, so that's a no-no. Okay, so I started grinding that side, and I took the bold move to go to the grinder. I was freaking scared because I wasn't sure if it would shatter or not. If you know cast iron, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I blew into the whistle. Of course, it was a wheezing sound for obvious reasons. But then I changed the pitch of that video just a tad bit, and it's sort of like when the whistle is at a very low pressure, because the whistle was blown before when 2685 was being lit up, and the sound will be played now. So yeah, I finally have a whistle. Hopefully in 50 years I'll have a full locomotive. Maybe, maybe not, you never know. So yeah, an SAR standard whistle. Yay. Now I'm 3,000 Rand in debt. Fun.